all you're doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to today's recipe. I'm going to show you how to make some homemade pumpkin donuts. That's right, sugar, pumpkin donuts. They're going to be so simple and easy to make, full of pumpkin flavors, and we're going to put a homemade maple glaze on it. It's sure to make your mouth water, and the best part about this recipe, you'll need no mixer and no yeast required. So grab your flour, your canned pumpkin, and roll up your sleeves, sugar, because we're about to fry some pumpkin donut magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is make up our wet ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 2 whole eggs plus 1 egg yolk. And we're going to add in 1 cup of puree pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix, 1/3 cup of evaporated milk, 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, that'll let cool, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin spice extract. And we're going to whip all these ingredients together until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing all my wet ingredients, so now we're going to set this aside while we work on our dry ingredients. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 3 3/4 cup of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. And our sugars, 1 cup of white and 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar. We're going to stir all those together until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, I'm through stirring up my dry ingredients, so now we're going to slowly add the wet ingredients and we're going to mix all of them together until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright, my friends, I'm through stirring the wet and the dry together, and our dough is nice and sticky, and I put it on the flour surface, and you can always add some more flour if it's too sticky. So now we're going to roll it 1/2 inch thick. Alright, my friends, I'm through rolling out the dough, so now we're going to cut them into donuts. Alright, my friends, I got all my donuts together, and this makes about 12 to 24 donuts. Now we're ready to fry them. Alright, my friends, I got my oil heating up to medium heat, so now we're going to gently put our donuts into the hot oil. Alright, my friends, I got my donuts into the oil, and we're going to fry them on both sides for 2 minutes, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through frying all my donuts, and it smells amazing. Ain't nothing like the smell of pumpkin and pumpkin spice. Alright, so now we're going to set our donuts aside while we work on our maple glaze. Alrighty, my friends, to make this luscious and simple maple glaze, we're going to start with 3 cups of sifted powdered sugar. And we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of maple extract and 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. And that's it. See how simple and easy it was? And we're going to stir all these together until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, our maple glaze is finished. Now it's time to give our donuts some sugar. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Pumpkin donuts. Don't that look good? I can smell the maple glaze on them too. Ooh, my mouth's watering. Those look the bomb.com delicious. Alright, I'm going to pick me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, here we go. Ooh, look at that donut. Lord have mercy. I can taste the pumpkin and the spices. Ooh, that maple glaze. It's amazing. Look how nice and soft that looks. Look at that texture. If you're a fan of pumpkin and donuts, y'all will love this recipe. And this would be great to serve for breakfast or a snack. Incredible. Pumpkin-licious. Well, my friends, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.